So the next one is operators. So in C++ also various operators and same like C, that is arithmetic operators, which is plus, minus, asterisk, slash, and mod operator, and plus plus and minus minus. I'll just tell fastly. So plus means addition, just 5 plus 3 equal to 8, and then similarly A minus B, you can use this subtraction, you all know this. So and similar like multiplication, 5 into 3 is equal to 15, and 8 divided by 2. So this operator is used to division operator. And one more operator is modulus operator. This is mod, so which is gives the remainder value of the value. If I give C equal to A mod B, so consider A equal to 5 and B equal to 2. So what it will store in C, that is the remainder value will be stored in this location. Okay, that is modulus operator. For example, 5. So I am dividing 2. So 2 2s are 4. So the remainder is 1. Okay, so 1 will be stored in the C location. So that is the use of modulus operator. And the next one is plus plus. It is called as a pre-increment increment operator. Okay, just now remember this. If I give plus plus A and A plus plus, there are two things. This is called as a pre-increment and this one is called as a post-increment. Okay, similarly pre-decrement and post-decrement. So what happens if I give plus plus A means, first it will increment the A value and it will assign to the variable. If I give D equal to plus plus A, that means it will take, what is the value of A is 5. Okay, so now D will be stored as 6. A plus plus is nothing, A equal to A plus 1. Okay, you are incrementing by 1. That is the meaning of this increment operator. But if you are giving before, previously, that is called as a pre-increment. If you are giving this plus plus sign after the variable, it is called as a post-increment. So what happens in a post-increment is, first it will take the variable value. If I give D equal to A plus plus, what it will do is, it will take only the A value and then later it will increment it. Okay, so that is the only difference between this pre-increment and post-increment. Similar like in decrement also. So this is a post, this one is pre-decrement. Okay, it will decrement the A value and it will assign to the variable. Same thing, this will take the value and then it will decrement in the memory location. So these are all the various arithmetic operations, that is plus, minus, star, slash, modulus operator, plus plus, increment and decrement operator. So if this video is watched by any of the student, you can write this on your own. Just you remember this operators and write on your own example, you will get simply 5 marks. So the next one is relational operator, that is equal operator, not equal operator, greater than operator, less than operator, greater than equal to, less than equal to. This is called less than or equal to. So if you want to compare two variables, I am using this relational operator. If I am checking A equal to B, that means what is the value of A should be equal to B means it will return true. If it is true, if these both the values, variable value is equal means, then it will return true, else it will return false. So 5 is not equal to 3, yes. So at that time, if it is not equal to on left hand side equal to right hand side, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay, it will check the condition and it will, if 5 is greater than 6, no, that time it will return false. So this is true. Okay, and then 7 is less than 8, so that is also false. So if it is true means it will return true, that is 1. If it is a false means it will return 0. So these relational operators are helpful to relate the two variables, which is used to relate the two variables, that is A is greater than or equal to B. So 5 is greater than or equal to 5. So either it may be the A value greater than 5 or it is equal. So this condition is satisfied. So if any one of the condition is satisfied, then it will return true. Okay, so this is called as a relational operators. You are relating the two variables, and if the condition is true, then it will return true. If the condition is false, then it will return false. The next operator is logical operator, that is AND or NOT. Okay, so first AND is, if I want to combine one or more condition together, I am using logical operator. So for example, if I want to find out the biggest value in 3 numbers, I have to use this AND operator. So the first condition is, I will check A is greater than B, and I will check A is greater than C. So if both this condition is true, if both the condition is true, 1 and 1, then only my answer will be 1. Okay, so this is called AND operator. So AND, you know, A, B, A dot B. So that is, if any one of the if both the condition is true, then the result will be true. If any one of the condition is false, then the result will be false. That's it. This is AND logical operator. And the next one is just you write in the place of AND as well as OR. Okay, so now I am writing OR. That means if any one of the value is true. Okay, for example, student number, I am checking another condition. Okay, yes, number is greater than 100, and section equal to A, I need that person. Okay, if any one of the condition is true, if that serial number is greater than 100, or if the section is greater than 1 or something, 2, like that, so you can give anything. Section is greater than 2, so I need that result should be true. Okay, if any one of the condition is true, then the result will be true. For example, if the section is greater than 2 is false, then it will return true only. So what is the OR formula? A plus B. OR rule is A plus B. So this is OR table. So any one of the condition is true, that is 0, 1, here it is 1 and then 1. Any one of the condition is true, then the result will be true. If both the condition are false, then only the result will be false. So this is the logical operator. The next one is NOT. So this is nothing but NOT A equal to 5. So that is A should not 5. If A is not equal to 5, if I given like this, C equal to not equal to A equal to 5. That means if A value is 10, then this is 10 equal to 5. So for example, wait, not like this, just a minute. So NOT operator is whether it is checking no. Okay, see, 5 is less than 2, no. So no means this is false. That is not means what happens, the opposite of no. So that is yes, that is nothing but true. So now this condition returns true. Okay, so logical operator, whenever the condition is false, then if this condition is false, it returns true. That is NOT operator. Yeah. The next one is bitwise operator, A XOR operator. Okay, this is XOR truth table. So basically, first I am explaining AND OR. This one is AND. Okay, A and 5. If I give like this, what happens? The value of A, 5 is converted into bit level, and then 3 is converted to bit level, and it will do AND operator, AND gate. Okay, so and this one is OR. So this one is and this one is OR, bitwise. So 5 and 3. Okay, now it will do based on the OR truth table. So what is the OR truth table? Any one of the condition is true, then the result will be true. So now this is the answer for OR operator. And the next one, bitwise operator, is tiled, NOT operator. That is what happens, 5 not 5. That means the value of 1 will be converted into 0 and 0 will be converted into 1. So that is not operator. For example, complement of 5 is this 1 0 1 0. So 0 will be converted as 1, 1 is converted into 0. So the value here is this. So this is a bitwise operator. And the next one is assignment operator. In any programming, this is called as an assignment operator. Normally, in mathematically, we used to say this one is an equality operator, right? So this is not an equality operator in any programming language. This is called as an assignment operator. For example, a equal to 5. Okay, what happens? This assignment operator, the value of 5 will be assigned to the variable location a. So this memory location, the value 5 is assigned in this a memory. Okay, so this is assignment operator. Equality operator is deferred. This is, they are using double equal. So that is an equality operator. This is an equality operator. So right hand side value will be assigned to the left hand side memory location. That is equal to this one is a assignment operator. Okay, this one is assignment operator. And the next one is MISC operator, size of or ternary. Size of what it will do, it return the size of the variable. For example, size of int. So it will return 2. So C will be stored in a 2 because integer data type stores the size of integer data type is 2 byte, right? The size of the integer data byte is. So C will be stored as 2. And the next one is ternary operator, question mark and colon. So this ternary condition is true after question mark is executed. If the condition is false, then after colon will be executed. For example, a is greater than 5, question mark 5. Okay, so otherwise, so I'm telling this simply. Okay, if this condition is true, okay, this condition is true, then what happen? After question mark will be assigned C equal to 5. This 5 will be assigned in 2. If the condition is false, if the a value is 2, then it is a false, right? Then 3 will be assigned to the variable C. So that is the ternary operator.